Hey there! In my last video, I actually talked about TanStack AI Alpha and the new release and what we brought with it. Well, today I want to show you structured outputs and how to do them in TanStack AI and something really cool that you should know about. So without further ado, let's jump into the example and let me show you. So check this out. So we have this example where we define our ZOD schema, and what we want to do is actually use this as the structured output. So what we can do is we can go to our definition of our options. So I'm using the createChatOptions from TanStack AI, and this allows me to construct my options anywhere, then pass them into the chat function. So what I want to do here is when I do this, this is going to return an object, and if I scroll down here, when I call the chat function from TanStack AI, this is going to return a stream. So this stream gets sent to the client, and the client does something with it. So what I want to do is, instead of streaming something to the client, I want a structured output where I tell the AI, hey, this is what I want to do, and then it's going to return the exact schema that I provide to it as JSON. So how do we do that? Well, you're going to go into your create chat options or in your chat function, depending on how you define it, and you're just going to define an output schema. And that is going to be our ZOD schema from above. So if I scroll up here, if I hover over this, it returns a schema, and then this returns an options object. And when I pass it into chat, you can see that I get a promise that's the type that we defined above. So if I await this, you can see that I got this, and this is not a stream anymore, but response. And then you can see that we have the provider, the model, and this is fully type safe. So if I wanted to do something like response.conversationId, I can, or response.model or whatever. So this is how you do structured outputs. And if you need them, you can do so like that. And that is how we do structured responses. And let's say you wanted to use some other schema validation library like archetype or valibot or whatever. Well, the good news is we support standard schema, which means whatever supports standard JSON schema is compatible with our TanStack AI. So if you wanted to use something outside of ZOD, you can. And that is really cool, and we're really proud to fall in line with the standard JSON schema, which released last week. And that is how you do structured output. So whenever you want to generate something and get JSON in return that you can use further on to do something else, this is the way to do it. Alright, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial, and let me know what you think in the comments. If you like the video, like it, and all the other YouTubey stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!